Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm here in the House of Tools workshop, and I have a tool for you by PB Swiss. This particular one is number 8643, and it's a Torx set, and they call it a precision set because it's really some small sizes. This one is a T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, and T10. So it's the much smaller sizes. So if you do precision work or electronics work, this is a great set for you. And most of you guys are probably doing it at some kind of workbench or workstation. So it comes in this nice plastic stand. The other nice thing is your tools won't spill out. No matter which way you turn this thing or shake it, they're not going to fall. So if it's there on the bench and you accidentally knock it over, pick it back up and they're right where you need them. Unless you do that. Otherwise, they should stay in there. If they were clicked in properly, they don't fall out. But that one I bumped, I think. But this nicely holds this in. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer that tinkers around with a lot of precision or electronic equipment, or if you're in the trades and you do this for a living, this is a great set for you. You don't have to use the stand, but it sure makes it convenient when you're working on a flat surface, but maybe you just want them in your toolbox to have them. Either way, it's a perfect set for that type of work. And if you can leave me a comment, do you work with this size Torx? Have you used this set before? Also, if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. We're trying to help grow the channel and show as many tool videos as we can to give you kind of a visual idea how these tools work out. See you on the next video.